Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letters C, D and their sum. Let's start. This is C. C says K. Say K. Cat. Cat. Owl. Cow. Egg. Cake. Car. This is D. D says D. D. Say D. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Race. Race. Drum. Drum. Duck. Duck. Do you have this worksheet with you? We are going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line. And when you are done cutting, put your picture next to you. Okay? Done? When we say cat, what first sound we make? At. Cat. Put picture of cat under K. When we say dinosaur, what first sound we make? Dinosaur. Dinosaur. D. Put picture of dinosaur under D. Race. Race. D. Ow. Cow. Egg. Cake. Duck. Duck. Drum. Drum. Car. You done with yours? Let's move on to next one. Here we are going to play I Spy game. Let me show you how to play this game. I spy with my little eye something start with K. Let's find something start with K. Do you see anything start with K? Oh, here it is. Clock. 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 Let's circle that. Now we are done with this K here, so we are going to circle this too. I spy with my little eye something start with D. Let's find something start with D. Oh, here it is. Desk. Desk. Let's circle that. We are going to circle this D because we are done with it. Now you are going to find rest of the picture start with K and D and circle them. When we are done, we can move on to the next one. What is this? Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Let's find D. Oh, here it is. Let's circle that. Now you are going to find the first sound of this picture and circle them. When we are done, we can move on to next one. Here we are going to learn how to write C and D. Enter. We are going to start with this dot here and follow this arrow. Watch. Can you trace curve on your worksheet now? Let's do it one more time. You done? Great. Let's move on to here. We are going to trace on D now. We're going to start with this black dot here and follow this arrow. Watch. Can you trace on yours? Now let's trace one more time. Are you done with your tracing? Great. Good job. You did it. You're done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.